Now I'll show you how to use our 200 liters powder mixer. The first step is power on, and then the second step is air on. Air on from this side. And power on, you'll see, connection is here. Okay. And also, when you receive this machine, you will see we have this jacket cooling system, water in and water out. So this is jacket. We already gave you this this house. Okay, so you can use this house connection with this circulation system, water cooling system. Okay, and then when everything be ready, when just power up from here. And then you will see the touch screen have this English, Polish, Chinese. Okay, and then manual page. Manual page, lead open, key press. Key press. When we this lead open, here we should lose. Okay, lose here. We should lose. And then lead open, key press. And then we put this power inside. Put this powder inside. And then oil. Oil here. You will see we can put this oil here. And also this one, this oil we support this heating. For example, if some oil is solid oil, you will see this is heating. Okay. And if you need heating and the touch screen, we just turn on the heating. Okay, you will see you can turn on this heating from here. And then we will close with this powders and this pigment inside, and then we will close. Here have a sensor for safe switch, okay, and then here lock it, and then we switch to this automatic page. You will see here automatic, and then you will see the speed. This is the main speed. This is side counter speed. And oil spray speed. And also you will see this time. This is oil spray times. And then total oil spray time, 5 seconds. And then oil spray interval time, every 5 seconds. And then spray five times. Okay? And total is machine running in 1 minute. You can see this the time, okay? And this is remain times, okay? Okay, right now, auto, stop, you will see? Stop this decrease, the time decrease. This is finished, and it was a buzzer. This buzzer was along, okay? And then we will switch this manual page, and then discharge. When we discharge, we will shoot this discharge on, and then this one cylinder will move. We will press discharge on. You will see here. Here open. You will see this one open, and then we will swell. And then here discharge. Press discharge. Start. You will see this powder will come out. Okay, so you say finish the discharge. So we can save this time, and also we can save the discharge speed. So this is finish. This is finished. Okay. This is how to use this RS machine.